Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today we're gonna configure the web space from for pfSense. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn on our Kelly Purple set of one. So I just gonna go setting first. We have to go to the network. We're gonna have to go to the internal because we wanna connect through a pfSense to the internet. So here in adapter type, you have to change it to para virtualize that one, and then click on OK. So I haven't turned it on yet, pfSense. So like that, you can see without pfSense, we're not gonna have internet. So I just gonna do some demonstration. So Latin Cyber. So we can see, guys. So we don't have any internet. Even if I go here to the terminal and try to figure out what is my IP address, and won't have IP address because technically we not connected to the internet. So, but I'm gonna show like a demonstration IP in. So we don't have any IP address. That's a normal all host had the IP address. So if I say if config, we don't have IP before. It's the arrow here, so the connect, so we don't have internet. Now I'm gonna go to pfSense. This one I'm gonna turn it on because through the pfSense we're gonna get internet. So right now pfSense, because it's like a firewall kind of stuff like that, and it's kind of firewall and router at the same time. So it's gonna be like the bridge between the internet and Kelly Purple. It's gonna be in the middle. So if pfSense is off, we don't have internet. When pfSense is on, we're gonna have internet. So when I wait for pfSense, it's turning on. So let's see, guys. Okay, now it's on. So when I go back to the Kelly, so like you already seen, um, just wait a little bit. Just let me again go to pfSense. So when I had to uh, shut down the machine and turn it back again, I should have restart. So it's gonna be easy. But so just to check it out, so go carefully to see if we did the setting correctly. So setting network, everything look okay. Okay, so now turn them back. Back on Latin fiber. Uh, let's see our IP address. So you're already seeing here that we have an internet, so we good. So now So here we already, that's our IPv4, which is 192.168.2.11. Okay, we good. Okay, now we're gonna open. So we're gonna configure pfSense. So what we had to do here, just very simple. HTTP s// sorry slash 192.168 the 2.1. So if it does show the warning to the potential security risk, so it doesn't matter. So it, it's a pfSense. So just click in advance, access read and continue. So here we're gonna log in into the pfSense, sign in, and we're gonna configure. So the users is admin, and the password is a pfSense all lowercase pfSense. We're gonna change it so later on sign in. So you can, if you want to save it, so just in case. So but now, so guys, welcome to pfSense. So now we wanna configure so to allow leads and deny leads. So we're gonna setting the pfSense to allow some certain tile IP address to allow to the network, and some when I work around that, that's gonna be gonna spend at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes in it. So now here when I select next, select next. So here in the host name, so we're gonna just leave it as a pfSense um domain. I just like to call my domain. I'm gonna call the domain Latin, So, but domain, okay. I just say Latin Cyber, Latin Cyber, um, .com. When I select, so you can call the domain the name that you want. So I just prefer say Latin Cyber. Next. Here. So we want to leave as a default here. We're not continue to next. And here we say configure the WAN. So we're gonna scroll down. Scroll down. We wanna check the block here. This one, block private network. Private network phone enter into the one. We're gonna check that one. And so we next do a little quickly. So here I say configure the line interface. So this is the IP address we just added here, and Sunday Math 24. So far everything look good. So we're gonna leave it the way. So next. So here, if you want, you can add a new password. So I'm gonna add a new password. You so just add a new password. I just have to type it in somewhere. password. Save it. You say your password, and we're gonna click next. Just an admin here. Just add admin like that. It's gonna save it with admin. Yes, we admin. Yes. And update and say now. I'm gonna click. So now here, I want to with reload the configuration. We click reload. Now as the reload is finished, we click and finish. Now we scroll down. We click accept and close. We let it still updating here. So the first thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna name our interface. I don't wanna see the thing. Oh my god. Hold on guys. So I'm gonna go in interface. I'm gonna select LAN first. So I just gonna go through. So here, if you want, you can change the names or leave them that way. I just gonna leave it that way. So that's the IP address. It's gonna be the same thing with a WAN. If you for some reason you don't like the name, just you can just put any name that you want here. So I just gonna leave it the same name. So let's go to the service. We're gonna go to DNA resolver. So go here, DNA resolver. Okay, just taking a little while to go. So remember, all the DNA port are basically even here showing. That's important to know that. So here, when I scroll down, when I select DSCP registration, yeah, when I select this other one, I select start the DSCP. I said we would start. We done that. I wanna go up, up to the top. So we wanna go to advanced setting. So now we're gonna select preferred preferred support and preferred DNA key support. So I said now we're gonna go to the bottom. We're gonna click save. So now we click apply changes. So now we're gonna do some network changes. So we're gonna go system. We're gonna click in advanced. Click network. We're gonna go scroll down. Scroll down. We're gonna select here hardware checksum and gonna click down. We're gonna save. Click save. So here, changing hardware check some setting required. Reboot, say okay. We're gonna reboot the system. Be good. So now it's reboot. So let's add the new password. We in. So here, the user pfSense, the only thing that we change. So to the domain latincyber.com, everything look good. So right, our first part for configure pfSense. Uh, stay tuned for the second part. Uh, don't forget, if you like the video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and leave your comment below. Down